Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Stafford, Missouri, home of EnsightSolutions. Ensight creates a variety of quality, hygienic designed equipment and machines to help industrial food processors at every step of the processing operation. They are also experts in robotics and automation and can help you enhance your return on investment and overcome labor shortages with creative solutions. Ensight engineers create solutions that help your organization meet your customers' demands, while also adapting and growing in the ever-changing food processing world. Whether you need to replace a current machine or are looking to automate your processes, Ensight is here to help you. Ensight strives to increase efficiency and safety in food processing. Their clients' commitment to quality and freshness requires meticulous production processes, most of which are manually intensive and could benefit from increased automation for improved efficiency and safety. Before discovering EnsightSolutions, many clients faced significant challenges related to the manual loading of hoppers. The process involved one team member hand-loading or shoveling products manually into hoppers. This heavy, repetitive lifting had resulted in back issues and other injuries. Upon engaging EnsightSolutions, the processor incorporated Ensight equipment into the production process. The introduction of EnsightSolutions machinery has been transformative in the way they conduct business today. Ensight's clients have witnessed a remarkable improvement in efficiency. One operator can now manage 2 production lines, effectively doubling their capacity. This has been life-changing for the operations team. Visit them today at EnsightSolutions.us. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.